Hey everyone, in today's video we're talking about YouTube TV's awesome multi-view feature. It lets you watch multiple live events on one screen without switching between channels. Let's dive in. With multi-view, you can watch up to 4 live streams on one screen. You'll see the streams pre-selected based on program start and end times. It's available on smart TVs, streaming media players, mobile devices, and even casting from your phone to the TV. To access multi-view, simply start watching a game, then tap down on your controller or tap the multi-view icon on your mobile device. For NFL Sunday Ticket, you can choose from several multi-view streams, even building your own combination of out-of-market NFL games. You can also switch audio between different streams, just highlight the stream you want to hear or tap it on mobile. Plus, at any point, um, you can switch one stream to full screen mode for a better view. Now, if you have an NFL Sunday Ticket, you will get access to exclusive multi-view streams, including NFL Red Zone. You can also combine games based on your location, and multi-views will update 30 minutes before the game starts. And you can manage your multi-view watch history easily in YouTube TV and even delete sessions from your history. Just go to your watch history, remove any video you have viewed, or manage the entire multi-view session. And that's YouTube TV's multi-view feature. It's a great way to enjoy multiple events at once. If you like this quick guide, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Peace.